the EdgeFinder for 2 days until October 27th is free to use. Our plan with the EdgeFinder is to allow all of you guys to use it. No strings attached. It's so easy to grab. I'm being transparent about this. I want you guys to check out our software. We have worked so hard on this tool. We hope you try out the tool and you realize this is an incredible tool that's going to take me to the next level in my trading and I can't live without it, and then you buy it. That's me being transparent about what the purpose of this is. I want you to try out our software. The EdgeFinder is free to use for the next 2 days. Here, I want to start out with gold's price action here this morning, which continues to try and press up against the level of resistance here, guys. We cannot seem to close outside of this range. And, you know, I want to go through this together because this is really big. We made the point 2 days ago on stream. We discussed price action wise how important this level, these two levels here have been. Now, I think we got to update our thoughts here a little bit because take a look. So we had this level of resistance here and we had this level of support here. Price briefly went under it, and I actually thought gold was headed down from there. I thought gold was going to blast off to the downside here and we would see it roll over. I didn't personally take any trades on gold. However, you know, this candle was unable to close down here. So it wicked back up, and now we see prices pushing back north side. And again, we just seem to be magnetized by this 1980 level. Price action can't seem to find a direction for gold buyers or sellers. It seems like we're stuck here. By the way, guys, we've got people from all over the world. Thank you for letting us know. People from the Philippines, Europe, India, Brooklyn, Australia, Costa Rica, South Africa, Pakistan, Iran, Florida, Kenya, Italy. Very cool just to see all the different places you guys are tuning in from. Thank you for being here. And again, when we take a look at gold, I want to narrow it down to the 4-hour chart. I still kind of stand by this range that we're stuck in. So again, higher time frame resistance at 1980 seems to be holding for the sellers, but we've picked up a little bit of momentum off the bottom here. As a gold trader right now, you got to be asking yourself, are you bullish? Are you bearish? And why? And I'll give you guys my take on it. Actually, I'm really neutral on gold. To be completely honest, I don't necessarily have a strong opinion one way or the other. However, I'm a little intrigued by the fact that gold is pushing into the bullish category for the EdgeFinder. Let's review this. What is causing this to be so bullish? Well, I'll tell you one thing that's holding it back from being more bullish. It's the labor statistics in the US. They're really strong. Jobs are still really strong. That's why the labor market, guys, the algorithm automatically computed this and said, yeah, labor, hold your horses on gold bullishness, because a strong economy, which is built off the back of jobs. If people have jobs, that's going to be a driver for the economy, right? So when we take a look at gold's price action, it's decisively neutral, right? So it's lacking decision. And for me right now, the question would be, you know, if you're watching gold, I think what we need to see is we need to see a break above this 1980 level. And really, if you're being conservatively bullish, breaks retests at the 2000 mark. I've talked about this for days now. I sound like a broken record to my regular friends who watch the stream each day. But again, we need to see price make a decisive move one way or the other. Because again, this price action is really messy. We keep wicking back and forth, and I'm not trying to take part in it right now. So I would like to see, for example,
did you know our market scanning software, the EdgeFinder, just got even better? Check out our newest asset, Bitcoin. That's right, Bitcoin was our most requested feature update, and we're so excited to announce Bitcoin is finally here with plans to add even more crypto in the future. We've also updated our most popular feature, the Smart Money Tracker, adding even more data than before. The EdgeFinder not only automatically scores 8 different metrics for each asset to give it an overall buy, sell, or neutral score, but it also keeps track of bank and analyst positioning, stores historical fundamental data, shows how assets are trending throughout the day, and so much more. Right now, our YouTube viewers can get the EdgeFinder at a discounted price when they use promo code A1YT. You can check out the EdgeFinder with the link down in the description below. And again, get it for the special discounted price when you use promo code A1YT at checkout.
I'd like to see, if I'm going to be a seller of gold, I'd like to see momentum pick up to the downside. You know, again, sellers might quote the US economy being strong and that geopolitical tensions could perhaps subside. And if that does become the case, you sort of lose that fear driver for gold. This might be a trade idea for us guys on the sell side. But again, this is a big if we break out to the downside. Same thing for the bulls, guys. I don't think that there's an easy call on where gold goes right now. If you're aggressive, maybe you're looking for, I'll give you the aggressive and conservative entry. If you're a bull, if you are the bulls in the house, guys, can we do something really quick? Everybody in the audience, let me know, are you bullish or are you bearish on gold? Can you guys drop that in the chat real quick? Bull or bear, let me know. I'm curious to hear what you guys think. I told you I'm pretty mixed. I've got to see price decision go in one way or the other, but conservative entry is going to be the blue level here. Conservative entry would be waiting for this level of resistance to break, right? Get us into that 2000 mark. You say, okay, chop it up for the bulls. The bulls took over here. And the conservative entry would probably be right around 1996 to 2000 in my personal opinion, okay? The aggressive entry, aggressive gold bulls may just say, yeah, if we get above 1980, I think we run back to the highs and we break out, right? So you've got two entry styles for the bulls here. And again, for the sellers, I think there's only really one idea that I see from a price action standpoint. If you get a catalyst to the downside, meaning de-escalation in the Middle East, or US dollar strength continues to be supreme, you get some hotter than, again, something strong for the dollar. This entry, pretty conservative to the downside. Okay, so that would be my breakdown on gold. I hope this sets up a game plan for you. That is my goal with these shows, with these streams. We bring on guests who share ideas. I share my own ideas. Frank and I go through COT reports. We're trying to equip you guys with market insights every single day. Speaking of market insights, there's 250 of you guys, and I am really excited to let you guys know that we are doing something pretty special. I don't know if you saw the announcement already. If you haven't heard the announcement, I've got some news for you today. We got news in the building, okay? Can we get a breaking news flash really quick, Chandler? That would be awesome. Get a breaking news. And guys, the EdgeFinder for 2 days until October 27th is free to use. Okay. And I'm not just saying, oh, it's free to use, some of it, or, pieces of it are available for free. No. The EdgeFinder is free to use for the next 2 days. So how do you get your hands on a copy? Again, actually, it is genuinely free. We want people, and I'm being so transparent about this because I want to tell you guys what our plan is. Our plan with the EdgeFinder is to allow all of you guys to use it. No strings attached. We're not going to haggle you to get you a copy. It's so easy to grab. Click this link. We're going to drop the link in the chat right now. If you message us, just ask for the EdgeFinder free day, and we're going to give you 2 days from now until October 27th. The EdgeFinder is totally for free. You just message us, ask us for the link. We'll send you over the link. I'm being transparent about this. I want you guys to check out our software. We have worked so hard on this tool. We have spent countless hours, late nights, early mornings, building what we think is the best tool for traders out there. If you're looking for fundamentals, if you're looking for commitment of traders data, if you're looking for an algorithm that can assist you in finding setups, please message us right now. Try out our tool. Even if you don't ever buy it, I would love to hear your feedback, and so would my team. There's a team of 10 people behind the software tool that we've brought to market, and we would love to hear your feedback, even if you don't ever purchase it in the end. Transparently though, we hope you do purchase it. We hope you try out the tool and you realize this is an incredible tool that's going to take me to the next level in my trading, and I can't live without it, and then you buy it. That's me being transparent about what the purpose of this is. I want you to try out our software. So click this link, get access to the EdgeFinder, no strings attached, 2 days for free. It is EdgeFinder free to use, free to play, right? It's like Fortnite. It's free to play right now. Let's take a look and see what else we have in terms of setups here. We've got dollar yen to talk about. I'd like to point something out for those of you guys who are trading or keeping an eye on dollar yen. Dollar yen, if you trade it, you are basically trading the 10-year yield. It's trading in sync pretty much. Here's the 10-year yield, right? Here's the dollar yen. You can clearly see they're moving generally in the same direction. The major factor for this is that, again, it's, bond yields trade a lot of times in correlation with the US dollar. Not always, but a strong, rise in the yield is usually reflective of strong US economy. Strong US economy is going to equate to dollar strength. Despite that, I want to talk about something really key here. We're at a level of resistance, right? We've been pegged here, and I want to zoom out. For those of you guys who are, I know there's a lot of people who surprisingly are really polarized on dollar yen. Do you sell it? Do you buy it? Let me give you some context here. The chart's not moving, okay? All things considered, the chart has been really quiet in the last few days. Look at the size of these candles, okay? You could fit it in this little box, right? Look at the size of this same roughly amount of time, and look at the difference in volatility, okay? Volatility has come to a grinding halt on the dollar yen. So if you're trading the dollar yen, sit down for a second and think about something with me. Again, price is not moving that much. We have to see with some decision whether we're going to break higher and clear these highs and keep moving, in which case I think you see volatility expand and push further, or if sellers are going to kind of break us back down underneath these lows and start taking things the other way. Again, another pivotal decision point. I think just like gold, the dollar yen and the gold market are very much, they're just stuck in consolidation. Now, you might point to CPI numbers, which come out, I believe, next week, and we have core PCE numbers this week. So perhaps markets are waiting on something big to get moving. But again, I think if you're watching dollar yen, just be careful. We're in a choppy range. We're still waiting to see some decision. Okay.
Don't forget to check out the links in the description if you want our broker recommendation, access to our free Discord, free EdgeFinder, or want to chat with us on Telegram. Remember, you can watch us live in the markets every morning starting at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and we have lots more free trading tools and content available on our website, a1trading.com. Thanks for watching.